Hi, I came across this 1930s ETAS mortice night latch or cylinder pocket latch. One of the ways to dismantle this is you take two screws out on the back from the handle and take the handle out. Now you have a cylinder there, and opposed to most modern cylinder barrels, this one is actually screwed on with very fine machine thread. So grab a grips and very gently undo it, left hand side turn, and just unscrews out. That's the cylinder. And then just remove a couple screws from the face of the mortice latch itself and just slide it out. And this is how it looks assembled pretty much. It's a very simple lock, and it's made by company ETAS in UK. Old company that's been bought by Yale back in 1960s, and they stopped making these locks back at that time.